What if I told you, your popcorn popper might be robbing you of fluffy, theater-quality kernels? We tested 10 top poppers, air poppers, stovetop, and electric models, with 50-plus batches, and the results will stun snack lovers. One popular machine left half the kernels unpopped, while our number 3 delivered perfectly fluffy popcorn with 0 burnt bits. If you're tired of wasted kernels or chewy popcorn, this is the only ranking you need. Starting at number 1. Presto PopLite Popper. The Presto PopLite 04820 popper is a convenient, natural, and light hot air popper that pops regular or gourmet popcorn with hot air, not oil, for a healthy, low-calorie treat. It pops up to 18 cups of popcorn in less than 2.5 minutes, leaving virtually no unpopped kernels. The 1/2 cup measuring cup on top of the popper doubles as a butter melter, which is convenient for adding flavor. The clear plastic cover and cup are easily removable for cleaning with warm, soapy water. Number 2. Great Northern Popcorn Popper. The Great Northern Popcorn Original Stainless Steel Stovetop 6.5 quart popcorn popper is perfect for making movie theater-style popcorn for any family movie night, party, or game night. The wooden handle stays cool while stirring, and the built-in stir paddle ensures constant stirring to prevent burning. The vented lid allows moisture to escape for fresh, crunchy, and delicious popcorn every time. Made from durable stainless steel with non-stick properties, this pot is easy to clean with just a paper towel. Number 3. Presto Hot Air Popper for healthy snacking. The Presto 04821 Orville Redenbacher's Hot Air Popper is the perfect solution for all your healthy snacking needs. This popcorn popper can pop up to 18 cups of popcorn in less than 2 minutes with almost no unpopped kernels. It pops without oil, making it a healthy choice with only 30 calories per 2-cup serving and 0 calories from fat. The butter melter doubles as a measuring cup, and the base and cover can be easily wiped clean. Number 4. West Bend Stir Crazy Popcorn Popper. The West Bend Stir Crazy Movie Theater Popcorn Popper is perfect for enjoying movie theater-style popcorn at home. It can make up to 4 quarts of popcorn in minutes with a non-stick stainless steel popcorn kettle that is easy to clean. The patented quick-release lever tilts the kettle and empties popcorn into the serving area. A motorized stirring rod ensures more pops per batch, and a kernel catcher tray catches unpopped kernels. It has a small footprint and comes with accessories, including a serving scoop, a 1/4 cup kernel cup, and 1 tablespoon oil spoon. Number 5. Whirley Pop Popcorn Popper. The Wabash Valley Farms popper is the perfect addition to your movie night at home. With its patented stirring system and nylon gear, every kernel is moved until it pops, preventing burning and ensuring perfectly cooked popcorn in just 3 minutes. The removable lid with quick-release clips makes for easy cleanup, and the 6-quart capacity allows you to make plenty of popcorn for the whole family. Say goodbye to the guesswork of stovetop popcorn and enjoy authentic movie theater popcorn in the comfort of your own home. Backed by a 25-year warranty, this durable popcorn popper is sure to last for many movie nights to come. So, which popper will you use for movie night? Debate your favorite in the comments. If this snack-saving review gave you perfect popcorn, pop that like button, it helps us test more. Want more kitchen tech truths? Subscribe. Next week we're testing cotton candy makers. All our top picks are linked below. Happy snacking!